Are you looking to run reverse prospecting on your listing? Well, let me show you how. First, open up the menu in Flex. Then, under Contacts, find Reverse Prospecting. Select your listing from the list, and then click Run Reverse Prospecting. This may take a moment, so while it loads, I'll explain what reverse prospecting is. So what it does is it will search the MLS for other agents' contacts that have a saved search that this property meets the criteria of. Essentially, it's giving you a second chance to get this property in front of a warm lead. Once all the agents load, you'll get a reverse prospecting completed message at the bottom of the screen. Now, we can either select specific agents we want to email, or by clicking this checkbox, we can select every agent that came up in our results. Click Email Selected, and now we can see the default email that will be sent to these agents. And don't worry, they each get their own individual email. So feel free to rewrite this email as you wish. My only recommendation is to keep this agent matching contacts section in place. So even though that doesn't look like anything to us, the receiving agent will actually see their contacts details in place of this language. And when you're happy with this, you can click Send. I hope you found today's quick tip video helpful. If you did, please give it a like. Also, check out the rest of the Maine Listings YouTube channel for even more videos like this one.